Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subs, back to the trendy dancehall. Want to know the style? If you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing and bless up all of the loyal fans. That's it. So we're gonna kick it off like how we normally do it. So guys, what we forward out for telling and informing today is that dancehall artist Intence as he pre has made in an accident today at Hope Road, that's in Kingston. Is it on the site? At how it look and everything and how it look impacted. We don't have to say, we don't have to show another picture first and they will elaborate on that. Here's it. Alright people, so this are the site. You see me how it look. You see me and as well I say people it don't look so serious as in for saying probably not. But as to how we are hearing crash and me I show you say this are the view and it run up in the right hand side pan. And that I if him steering wheel up on the left one or the right, but it varies. It's just no say the brother way I drive or probably him wrong when you check your level. You see me. So guys, like as I say, I'm glad for see and I know severe as you can see me want to know too. You see me say that so far the artist will be fine. You see me carry them vanity there 1 3 for fade away and shits. You see me but lot of people more down pon him and thinking you see me so greatest thing him good you see me. Yeah man. Even though him say no breaks so we have a understanding with everything. You see people. Yeah. Big man thing. Well, viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think, comment down below. And if you don't know nothing further more about this, you can leave a comment also. You see me, if you're not subscribers yet, please do. You see it, cause that's how the thing go. You see me, yeah man, big up on yourself, and we're jumping on the next video, cause so we do it.
You see me? Anything I hurt your dog, and if you talk to twin man about it, you see me? If you need if you sleep, twin man supposed to can collect some money for you and save up it and make sure say winter you know one little problem you can go put you in one little hotel or motel for the night. You understand me I say Rose? Yeah. So Rose, you're big, you don't want that Rose. Right now you're on a level right now. You're hotter than enough artists are enough youth we are trying. You see me I say Rose? Yeah. You don't need that dog, you see me? Yeah, dog. Yeah. And the boy, yo, Rose, Rose, you know no family can hold him and give him 2 thump in the face.
So bigger man thing people, but on twin man Instagram and Facebook hero and the dog set sub ups and is it trying resume split screen resume. So anyways, the conversation may I tell you make Rose cry. Resume so me I play the clippings cause me that screen record everything we are going, is it? So watch out.
You see me? Anything I hurt your dog, and if you talk to twin man about it, you see me? If you need if you sleep, twin man supposed to can collect some money for you and save up it and make sure say winter you know one little problem you can go put you in one little hotel or motel for the night. You understand me I say Rose? Yeah. So Rose, you're big, you don't want that Rose. Right now you're on a level right now. You're hotter than enough artists are enough youth we are trying. You see me I say Rose? Yeah. You don't need that dog, you see me? Yeah dog. And the boy, yo, Rose, you know no family can hold him and give him 2 thump in the face. Come down the vaccine them. Yeah, Rose. Yo, nobody really crying now. That me I tell you in my foot, nobody really crying. Because it can't get worse, I better it get better. Yeah, Rose? Yeah. It can't get that Rose, you feel me? Yeah. You don't know that. Man. Rose, let me talk to you, man. Hey man, the world need to see dog and shit dog, you see Rose Durham. And if you have sense, I mean I taught this for the life. Listen what I say. If you have sense, you can guide Rose in a one part where you don't even have to do Instagram. You can live off Rose if you guide Rose the real way. Nobody going to take up nobody and do things to them if they not benefit off it. Twin man, you what me I say? Don't make nobody come tell about you spend money at a Rose money. If you guide Rose, you African sure a real way. Oh God. You understand me? I say, me see, me mind a dog, me my Rose have a platform right now, dog. Me mind a dog. Dog, when me see you go live in the Rose, you know, Rose I get thousands of views, a whole part artists now get that in a dog.
For real, bro, God, I really
Dog, you have to use dog, you have to dog. Walmart have to go sit down, dog, and come to agreement, brother. And if the dog a beat her for real, dog, we'll have to just separate that, brother, because Rose have a platform right now, dog. Rose, me a talk something else about Rose, and Mr. Rose bring you more than 5 times she bring up the same boy and beat her. Even when we not talk about it,